Watch on as this legendary Spitfire shoots flames from its exhaust during startup, a fiery reminder of the raw power that helped win the skies in World War II. Next up, this stunning United Boeing 777 performs some incredible aerial maneuvers over San Francisco during Fleet Week, showing you just how agile a wide-body jet can be. This Embraer Lineage 1000 gets de-iced on the ramp at Samadan Airport, preparing for takeoff in icy conditions. After prepping for the weather, the Embraer Lineage begins its startup sequence, firing up each engine one at a time. Sticking with the snowy theme, watch as this Air Canada Boeing 777 powers through winter conditions on takeoff out of Toronto.